Hello, Assalamu alaikum. How are you? I hope you all are doing well. Our today's discussion is about what is linguistic sign. First of all, let's try to define what is sign. A sign is a unit of a language. It may be a morpheme, a word, a phrase, or a sentence. So linguistic sign can be a word, phrase, or sentence. According to Ferdinand de Saussure, a linguistic sign consists of two aspects. Number one is its signifier, which means the sequence of the sounds which human beings form in their mind while listening any expression. So a signifier from expression perspective is a sound image created by the hearer or listener in the mind. In its another aspect is signified. Signified means here the concept or the meaning of the sign or the concept of the meaning of the sound sequences of that particular sign. For example, when we say any word like tree, first of all we have sound images, or we listen to the expression of the speaker as a tree, and we listen a sequence of the sound like t, and e. The sounds are there. These sounds are called signifier, and these sounds have certain concept or meaning. That meaning or concept is simply called it's signified. In other words, you can see here some of the words written on the page. For example, the word wall is written here, the word chair is written here. So the word wall, the sound sequence of word wall is called a signifier, and its meaning which comes in our mind becomes its signified. Okay, same is the case with the word with chair. So chair has a certain sound sequence and its meaning as well. But the relationship between the sound sequence and concept or meaning is arbitrary. For example, it is conventionally predetermined. Or we can say it is arbitrary because there is no any natural link between the sound sequence of the word tree, tree, and its concept. Why we are calling such object with these sound sequences or these with this word as a tree? There is no natural, inherent, or logical relationship between the sound sequence, means a signifier, and signified. That's why we call this is arbitrary relationship between them. Or in other words, there is only conventional relationship between the sound sequence and its concept. Conventional means whole speech community should share the concept of that particular sign, then they may be able to understand the sign. For example, in Sindhi, we all know what is the meaning of the word wall here. We all share the meaning of the word in Sindhi as bhit. When we say bhit, everybody knows what is that bhit because it is conventionally called. People call it conventionally. Okay, so in the same way, the word in Urdu is called diwar. So another example is here. If there had been any natural or inherent relationship between the linguistic, for example, signifier means sound image and its concept means meaning or signified, then the object must have same name across languages, means in English, Urdu, Sindhi, or in any other language that may be called with the same name. So there is no logical relationship between them. We call in English diwar, wall, in Urdu diwar, in Sindhi bhit. So the sound image is signifier, concept is signified. The actual object, that is bhit, diwar or wall, which you see here behind me, so this object is called referent, whereas the sound sequence is called a signifier, its meaning is called signified. So thank you very much. With this we'll be together in next video lecture. Till then, take care. Allah Hafiz.